So we're turning this white pile of scrap into something more usable. Finally got it started. You think you've got work. This is work after work after work. Cutting, grinding, welding, derusting, tarting up. Well, not really started tarting up yet. Still in the dismantling stages. Parts in the back of the van. So much work. Axle stands putting a shift in. So if you need them anytime soon, they're kind of doing the thing that they do best. Oh, everywhere I look, work, work, work. Here's where that pesky bolt was. It was going through here, out there, took the nut off, could not whack it from there because all this tank's in the way. Tried to saw it here, ended up using a jigsaw to get in and cut it off, but by that time I had already turned it so much that it was spinning inside the rubber, so when you jigsawed it, it was just basically vibrating and not cutting anything. I tried multi-tooling it, hacksawing it, grinding it. You can see sort of war wounds there from where the grinder, I had to get the grinder in. This is welded this panel up. Lovely jubbly. But yeah, it's going all right.